Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to do some more fact families. And this should be super easy for you by now. And we're missing the whole. So you're going to have to find the whole on your own. But because you already know two of the parts, then all you have to do is add those parts together to find the whole. So if I add 5 and 3, 5 plus 3 is 8. Very good. Okay, so now I know my numbers, and we know 5 plus 3 equals 8 because we just did that. Now we flip-flop our fact, and we do 3 plus 5 equals 8. Then to make our subtraction problems, we put the whole here, and then we just flip these numbers like that. And we have our fact family. If you need to push pause before we go on to the next one, that's fine. Okay, so 8 and 2, those are 10 friends. So we don't even need our number line because we know those make 10. So our whole is going to be 10. So we do 8 plus 2 is 10. And then I flip-flop my fact and I put 2 plus 8 is 10. And then because 10 is the whole and we're subtracting, the whole comes first. We do 10 minus 8 equals 2. And then I switch it around, but my whole is still the first. So 10 minus 2 equals 8. Very good. So now we have on our next problem a 4 and a 1. So those are the two parts. So to find the whole, I need to add them together. So 4 plus 1 is what? It's 5. Good. So I already know the first equation because we just did it. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then 1 plus 4 is 5. Now I put my whole first here on the subtraction. And I just rotate my numbers. And I have my fact family. Very good. So the last one, 2 plus 7. So using your number line, put your pencil on 2. Put your pencil on 7 and count up 2. That would be easier. What's your answer? It's 9. Very good. So we solved 2 plus 7 is 9. And 7 plus 2 is 9. And then I put the whole first, and I put 9. And then minus 2 is 7, and minus 7 is 2. Excellent. You should be fact family pros by now. So good job, boys and girls. On the back side, all you're doing is just some of these bigger numbers up to 20, and you're counting back on your number line. So on the first one, we have 18 minus 3. So pencils on 18, count back 3. Okay, so the answer is 15. Very good. So I want you to go ahead and finish the rest on your own. And when you're done, go ahead and raise your hand for your teacher. Excellent job, boys and girls.